Okay, we're gonna practice dividing today, and we have P-Man Psychic DSN here with us today. How you doing, Mr. DSN? I'm fine, thank you for asking. It's so good to have you here. Mr. DSN, we have a few questions. We noticed that in the last video you showed us how to use your power, and you would say, when I see division, subtract the exponents. And so I love it. You see division, you would tell us to subtract the exponents. So we see division, and then we would get 5 squared. But can you tell us why? I don't understand why you would subtract. Of course, Miss Pierce, I sure can. A lot of people think that 5 to the 8th is 40, and that 5 to the 6th is 30, but that's not what it is. 5 to the 8th is really 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, times 5, 8. All over 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then I cancel, 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 cancel. And what do I have left? I have 2 5s in the top of my fraction. That is 5 squared. 5 squared is not 10. 5 squared is 25. 5 times 5. Oh, I get it. Well, Mr. DSN, can you help us do number 2? Of course. Now, the shortcut says, when you see the same base, subtract the exponents. I really like this problem. I really like this kind of rescue because it's so easy. 2, 2. Same base, I can subtract the exponents. But I'm going to be careful. I'm not going to start at the top. I'm going to go where the bigger exponent is. 9 is at the bottom. So I'm going to say 9 minus 2. It is 7. So I'm going to put 7 at the bottom. 5 is bigger than 4. And these two have the same base. So I am going to say 5 minus 4. And that is 3. 4 to the 4th. It stays at the top. And then you can type all of that in the calculator to get your final answer. So let's do that. Miss Pierce, do you mind if I borrow your calculator? No, Mr. DSN, go right for it. Okay, Miss Pierce. Thank you so much. Now, we will go control, divide. And 4, and I'm going to hit this button here. It's the hot button. It gives me my exponent, or space for my exponent, so 4 to the 4th. I'm going to go down, and 2, hit my hot button, and then my 7. Then I'm going to hit the over arrow so that my line can become bigger. I'm going to do times 3, raise it to the first para. And then I am going to have 2/3 as my final answer. See, it simplified it for you, and we are done. Wow, Mr. DSN, that was really easy. Can you show us how to do that, doing it the long way? You know what? I sure can. It's going to be a lot of writing, so get ready, people. Okay, I have 2 2s, so that is 2 times 2. I have 4 3s, that is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. I have 4 4s, that is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Whew. See why I take the shortcut? 2 to the 9th, that is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Whew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My goodness. 3 to the 5th, that is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now we count off. How many do you have left? We have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's the bottom. See why I left it in the bottom? Okay, let's count to the 3's. Cancel. Look, it's at the bottom. Times 3. And it's only 1. Okay, and the 4's, nobody to help it. 4 to the 4th. And that is exactly what we had here. They are exactly the same. Wow, Mr. DSN, that was really easy and simple. Do you mind doing number 3 and 4 for us real quick? Anything for you, Miss Pierce. Oh, well, thank you so much, Mr. DSN. Okay, young people. 15 divided by 15. Be very careful. Do not subtract these. These are not exponents. These are coefficients. They're whole numbers. You just divide them. 15 divided by 5 is 3. The bigger number is at the top. Write the 3 at the top. It's that simple. What is 6 minus 6? It is 0. And anything raised to the 0 power is 1. So the answer is 3. Would you like to see it the long way? Oh, Miss Pierce, is it okay if I do that? I'm so excited. Of course, Mr. DSN. I don't mind. Okay, guys, here we go. 5 times 3 is 15. X times X times X times X times X times X. 5 times X times X times X times X times X times X. Cancel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even a superhero has to check his work. Cancel. What do we have left? 3 at the top. So the answer is 3. Wow. Well, you know what, Miss Pierce? I have to go. I'm going to leave number 4 for you to do for your children. Thank you for having me. Oh, Mr. DSN, thank you so much for coming. Oh, I just had such a good time with you. I hate for you to have to leave. Thank you so much for your time. And good luck with your rescue missions. No problem. See you next time. Wow, it was so good having Mr. DSN here to help us do these problems. Let's see if we can take everything he taught us to do number 4. Okay? So A to the 5th, B to the 6th, A to the 3rd, B to the 7th. We are dividing. We see division, so subtract the exponents. 5 minus 3. Bigger numbers at the top, so A squared at the top. Okay, so B and B, they match. 7's at the bottom, it's bigger. So 7 minus 6 is 1, so write it at the bottom. That's the shortcut. Here's the long way. We have to write 5 A's, 6 B's, 3 A's, 7 B's. Okay. Cancel. Okay, so we have 2 A's at the top and 1 B at the bottom. So we get the same answer no matter how you do it. Okay, so now you are going to do number 17, number 18. I'll go ahead and have you do number 19, number 20, and then do 29 and 35. Again, 29 and 35, and 17, 18, 19, and 20. And this is on page 471, and then on page 472.